Welcome to our ranch. Just kidding, guys. So today we're on vacation and this is our ranch for a few days. Yosemite is about an hour and a half from here. We're just staying in the outskirts because we couldn't get a reservation for camping, but this place is nice. We're gonna give you a tour of our Airbnb. Here's our bike rack for tomorrow because we're gonna be biking everywhere. Here's an overview of our ranch. Very peaceful, no people around. There are a few horses that we're gonna go check out. I think they're chilling. Watch your step. I actually do not know what's this shed right here. Here's our barbecue grill. We were gonna use it. We ended up deciding to just cook inside. Very nice. The view is beautiful out here. I don't know about nighttime, but we'll see. There are two little Christmas trees right here. This is the bedroom. It has a queen size bed. The AC is blasting in here. We have the closet over here. We actually have another closet right here, so a lot of storage. And we have a little vanity right here to do our skincare at night. So these are the lights and they're really cool. Oh, it comes out on the side too. Very nice. Probably on Amazon. I'm gonna check it out. Close this. This is the little hallway. Got some insulated bags, the freezer, and then here's our kitchen. Here's the counter table, and don't mind the mess. We have a lot of snacks. We have the sink, the stove top. We're watching Abbott Elementary. Very good if you guys haven't watched it. The living room. So we got this nice couch right here, and then we also have this small couch right here. Perfect to look out the view. This is our side view, and you can see Ted. We also have a patio. Let's open it up. Very nice. A table you can eat breakfast, dinner. It's a little couch, a little chair here, and then the back door. There's netting so there's no mosquitoes and also so the bears don't get in. There's literally no one in sight. Oh, I thought there was something on top of that trunk right there, or that rock. Anyways, let's come back into the AC. Yeah! This is our security lock for the patio. You just stick it right over here. Something like that. A little window right here, but it gets hot, so let's cover this up.
What is that? The thing that blew up in the sea?
Oh, a bunny! Oh my god! Our first sign of wildlife. That's so good. Oh my god, why did it jump like that?
I think you scared it.
Really? Oh, it's so cute. Continuing our tour. Oh, we haven't closed it. Ah, that's scary. I don't know. Let me lock that. Last but not least, the bathroom. This is the restroom. It has opening right there and I really like it. I also like the wood detailing in the bathroom as well. It's newly renovated, so very nice. Super excited for our trip. We're gonna be eating tacos tonight, so I'm excited for that.
What you doing? With that posture and that shirt tucked in like that.
What?
First meal of the day, this is Tom Yum Bulldog. We just got settled in. So here's the fridge review. I just cut this up for tacos tonight and they gave a lot of amenities. And now we're gonna try the Selena Gomez cookies. Go ahead and unbox it.
At first we weren't gonna buy it, but I had to beg Angie to get it. So it's the Selena Gomez one. Let's see if we get the signature one so we can listen to her music. Whoa, it's thick. Oh, it has chocolate and cinnamon. Supposedly kind of like horchata.
Did I get it?
Got a music note. No, and you have like a heart.
What does it look like?
Like this. SG.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1.
Like right off the bat, I smelled the cinnamon and I didn't like it.
It tastes like, what's a cinnamon cracker? A bit too cinnamony for me. And you can't really taste the chocolate.
Okay, so should we dig through it to find it? I try to prep everything at home so that we didn't have to prep much here. So this is the carne asada that I prepped.
Marinated it 2 nights ago with onion, cilantro, lemon, oranges, kiwi. I'm washing the dishes because we ate bulldog noodles. Why is there a potato right here?
This is the perfect potato for tacos. The size of it to munch out. We want to make dinner early since we're getting up early tomorrow.
Huh?
Wait, actually?
Yeah, because it takes an hour and a half to drive into Yosemite. We only have one pan, and I don't even know if I can call it a pan, because where's that handle?
It's gorgeous.
It's gonna take a while. Maybe we should have done it in batches.
Yeah. I thought it would sizzle all the way too, but I guess not.
Let me just turn the baby up.
We just finished cooking our tacos and they look really good. And the onions turned out perfect.
Taste test!
Angie also made the green sauce before we came here. What did you add in the sauce?
It was tomatillo, a jalapeno, cilantro, and then I tasted it and it didn't taste that spicy, so I added a whole green Thai chili.
We're eating at the outside patio, and I'm glad it has the netting because I don't want any mosquito bites. I haven't had tacos in a minute. So peaceful out here.
Need more sauce.
Oh, we didn't make the guac.
It's okay, I got lazy.
Oh, same.
Girl,
I forgot about it.
you wouldn't do that.
Oh my god, look how delicious that looks. Hi guys, so we just finished eating dinner. Since there's still light out, we're gonna go on a walk and we're gonna see the little horsies. I'm super excited. So these are the neighbor horsies. I can't really see them right now, so hopefully they're still out and not in their stables. Angie's gonna be biking. And then Angie's bike has the standing pedals on it, so if I get tired, I'll just hop on. The ranch is super big. The only animal we saw was that rabbit today. And she said she didn't want to walk because she doesn't want to get ticks on her legs. But I don't think I'll get ticks because we're like on the open road. And the sun's going to set in about 30 minutes, I think. But it's still super sunny out. And the weather is so nice now. Cool down a lot. There's a lot of holes. So I think it's like a bunch of rabbit holes.
Snake holes.
It better not be snake holes because I can't run that fast. Also, the ride here was really nice. It was super smooth. I don't think there was traffic at all. Well, from my perspective, it was really nice. But I don't know about Ange. She's biking so far. Wait up, brother. I feel like at night it's gonna be super scary because it's gonna be like pitch black out. And there's like no neighbors that are like right next to you. But it's so healing. Just go out back into nature. Be one with the trees. Be one with... Bruh. I do not know what pooped that out. That is too tiny to be horse poop, but too big to be a dog. And if a dog is pooping that, it looks like the perfect texture. So let me know what he's eating. If life gets stressful and just overwhelming, become one with nature. Go outside, take a walk, take a breather. And yeah, just enjoy life. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, hello. I wish I knew their name. Oh, there's another. Oh, it thinks we have food. Sorry, we don't have food. Hello. Hi. Oh my god, hello.
I don't know, it has flies. I feel bad. I don't think it was.
Take flies. Look at that one.
Dude, give some love to this one.
We can meet it right here.
Oh, there's another one right there too.
We're going hiking today for 3 hours. Let's see if we survive. Look at my seat.
Yeah, because Britt crashed into me.
Now I really gotta balance on the seat. Like.
Alright, let's go.
That uphill ain't no joke. I'm tired. It's barely been like 5 minutes in. How you feeling? You're getting better. All uphill from here. You could do it. Go. Go, Ange, go. We're going to the part where you get wet from the waterfall because we're getting super close. We're wearing kind of like waterproof stuff, so we don't need no poncho. It's really cold, really nice. It's refreshing actually. You saw the waterfall and it was really beautiful, and now we're eating cuties and we're heading down. I think we're gonna take a lunch break and then we're gonna go to the next hike. I'm feeling good. I was really tired of going uphill, but now we're going downhill. There's a lot of little squirrels here. They're so cute and they're really fluffy. We just finished our first hike to the big waterfall. It was so beautiful, but it was super tiring to get up there. And now we're gonna eat lunch real quick. We made some quesadillas last night and she made it actually, so thank you very much. And we also have our bagel sandwiches that we made this morning. Feeling really productive, and it's barely 10 a.m. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna head to the next hiking trail. My legs are feeling good. It was really strong. It was getting really itchy when we were going down. We are on my phone stand right now. As you can hear, my bike is a bit crickety. And we're heading to the next hiking trail. We made it to Mirror Lake. It's a bit not that much of a lake. It's more of a bunch of grass on top of it. We're just gonna walk back to the front because the lake there seems better to dip your feet in and also to just relax in. It is very nice. It kind of looks more of like a swamp. Basically, the Mirror Lake used to be where they cut the ice out of the lake in the winter time and then use those ice cubes for whatever. It's still beautiful though here, even though there's all that overgrowth. Here's the water. It's super clear. Wow. So peaceful here. Oh. Cold? Go girl. Go girl. Oh.
Hey guys, today we're going to the world's smallest beach.
How does it feel? A dip in the pool. Now drink it. Fresh water. Gonna go for a dive now.
Wow.
So we're on the Merced Lake right now. We're just vibing and we're gonna eat lunch here as well. One little move and it makes the thing tip over. Everything is super beautiful. You're just around nature. The water is cold as well and it's super hot today. I don't think I'm gonna swim in it. I'm just gonna dip my feet in. Also, it took us a long journey to get here. We had to bike our bikes to where the lake ends and then we had to walk back here and we had to pump up everything. Yeah, it was a long journey. Here's our quesadilla. This is our lunch for today. It's kind of broken, but it's fine.
Don't be scared.
I'm getting scared. Ow.
Oh, we're on a log.
Ow. A tree literally fell and we're going over it right now. Hopefully everything's okay. Shoot, Ange. Hold up. We're gonna get stuck. Oh my god, we're stuck on this side now. Ange. Hang on. We're gonna get into all that gunk.
I'm sorry, I can't reverse.
Wait, just stay still. We don't want to fall into this. Just go slowly. Oh my god. Alright, you got it. Just take your time.
Fish is poop.
It's fine. Fight the wind, girl. Fight the wind.
Rick got us unstuck from over there. Thanks. I'm scared. Oh my god. The thing did say to stay left, but
oh well, it's too late.
You would just have to navigate us through. Oh, it's fast. You got it.
Shoot. Okay, don't let the bugs in.
Nice, Britt. Tell the camera how you feel.
I feel good. I'm tired. The water's cold, but it feels good on the. I mean, what?
Why does it look like that?
Probably because the water isn't that high. Hey guys, we fell over. I'm soaking wet. And right now we're trying to retrieve the croc. Oh my gosh! Girly popped! Somebody put it right there. Okay, I'll grab it. Sorry, vlog. Thanks, Britt! We're getting off here.
We're about done reaching the end. Just taking in all the views. Hopefully the mic still works and it doesn't sound muffled. We're now going under the bridge. This is scary. Oh, ducks! Now let's see what's underneath the water. Was there anything cool? I drowned and lost my glasses. I'm fine.
Brother, hurry up and descend. We're heading back home now. I'm gonna eat steak, gonna shower, gonna get clean, and relax.
Thank you so much to Britney for driving the last 4 minutes. Okay, not bad. Alright guys, Brit's driving, let's head down. Oh, chill out. Yo!
Hey, you need a lift?
Yeah, hold up, let me get on, fatty. Wait! Brit! Oh my god. Brit! You passed it! Back it up! You're good.
Hi guys, so we're back in our Airbnb. It was a long drive back, but we made it and we're showered, we're clean. I'm gonna get ready for dinner. So today we're gonna do steak and mashed potatoes. So I'm in charge of mashed potatoes, so they're cooking right now. And we have on the best Disney princess movie. I also wanted to talk to you guys about the water incident. So basically, me and Angie were going towards a tree and it was too late for me to paddle away. We moved to the same side, so we ended up turning ourselves over. Angie was drowning a bit. I had to save her. All our stuff got wet and I lost my Crocs, but luckily people at the shore were able to get it. And then the other one, someone left it on the tree branch for us. Angie lost her sunglasses, but we're all good. Just a couple scratches here and there. We're eating bulldog as a snack and we're just gonna chill the rest of the night and rest because we biked a lot today and we also walked a lot. Oh my god, you have so many flies. Bye. Checked out
to View Knowles Road, then take a slight right turn.
we checked out and now we're gonna head home. We got this Yosemite pin. Okay, let's go up. Oh no, our door's open. All our AC. And then we have oh my god, we have our cooler right here. Be careful, cameraman. We're super excited for... We are currently watching Abbott Elementary. Abbott or Alba?
Whoa!
Oh my god, that's pretty. Why is it screaming?